Mussels and white wine. It's one of Jeffrey and my favorite things to have when we're in France. So I thought it'd be really fun to make them for Jeffrey. So for 2 of us, I've got 3 pounds of mussels. I'm just going to fill the bowl with water and then put a little bit of flour in the water. And what this does is it gets the mussels to give up any sand that's in them. So, okay. Oh, it smells like the sea. So while these are soaking, I'm going to make a wine broth with lots of garlic and shallots. Heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to chop up lots of shallots. Just roughly chop them. This is a great dish. You just serve huge bowls of steaming mussels with lots of wine broth with shallots and garlic, big chunks of French bread. Okay, 1 cup of chopped shallots, right into the oil and butter. And then I need like 5 or 6 cloves of garlic. Just chop them up. This is a really garlicky dish. It's wonderful. Okay. I'm just going to cook these for a few minutes until the shallots are translucent and the garlic's cooked. In the meantime, I'm going to get some tomatoes ready. I need about 1/2 cup of canned tomatoes. I'm just going to chop them up in the measure. They don't have to be perfect. Just a rough chop. Okay, now I need a little saffron, which I love. It's the stamens of crocuses, which is why it's so expensive. I'm just going to put about 1/2 teaspoon of saffron in. I can smell the saffron already. I need some fresh parsley. Chop it up. Okay, right in. Some fresh thyme. Not the stems, just the leaves. That's about 1/3 cup of parsley, about 1 tablespoon of thyme. Okay, that should do it. Okay, now I need a cup of white wine. I picked a really nice dry white wine, something I drink for dinner. And this is what's going to steam the mussels. Now I'm going to see how the mussels are doing. So they've been soaking in the flour, and you can feel a little bit of sand, so it was good that we did it. And just make sure they're all closed really tight. So this one doesn't seem to want to close, so I'm going to discard that. I'm just going to take them out of the water, drain them into the broth. Just toss them with the broth. I'm gonna put on the lid, 8 to 10 minutes, and dinner's ready.
Oh, there you are.
Sweetie. I missed you.
I know.
I hate when you're away.
Well, it's Saturday night.
Yeah.
It'll be like Friday night.
There's no chicken involved.
No chicken.
I made something really special for you.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. So what do you think we should do tomorrow?
You know, I was thinking, let's just really take a little vacation and go to Sag Harbor.
I'll take you for a walk.
On the dock?
Yeah, we'll look at the boats.
Okay. Walk down Main Street?
That's delicious. What a wonderful Saturday night dinner. But I have a question.
What?
We're going to be so busy. How are we going to work in dinner at home?
You know me. I got that covered. I love our weekends together.
Great weekends.